So now I'd like you to consider the zooming, the ability to zoom in and out that we have over here on the right. We're let's see, which panel is that called? So if you click the little down arrow below what's present, it's showing us that right now what we have active is this little icon called zoom in region, but we can also change our zooms we can zoom out 2 times from where we were. So it's zooming out like 200% from the previous one. We also can go to viewing previous pan or zoom, which will bring us right back. And it can go back, I believe, 10 or so. Um, it will remember back about 10 or so moves. You can also do zoom to fit, which pretty much we were already in zoom to fit. It just fits the entire view into the screen size that you have. Then there's also zoom to sheet size or zoom all to fit. So we can also do zoom region, and with zoom region, you see the little magnifying glass is going to appear, and we can click and drag with the left mouse button and draw a window over the area that we want to zoom in on. And when you release, it will zoom you in. And if I want to do that again, I can reactivate that command. I'll see the little magnifying glass and I can zoom in further on the drawing. And so then if I want to go back, remember I can do previous pan or zoom, and I can do that multiple times. Again, to get back to where I was. I also would like to point out that now, since we've opened many different views, they are appearing as separate tabs on the main viewing area. So right now we're looking at the second floor plan, level 2 it's titled. Before that we had opened the 3D view, the title sheet, and level 1. And say if we don't want to have all of these open at the same time, if I was done with level 1 and I just want to save a little bit of my energy's thinking power, I can close those tabs out and just focus on the level that I want to work on currently.